I bet. I know it's been a while since we've had a good soaker coming through, and throughout the rest of this week, we have one rain chance. That's about it. So there's going to be a cold front that swings through Thursday night into Friday. That's going to be our only rain chance of the week, and we need a little bit of rain around here. Take a look at the latest drought monitor. Nearly all of Chicagoland is just about all highlighted in this abnormally dry area now. So again, we need the rain. We're not going to get it for a couple more days. And even when we do have that cold front swinging through Thursday night into Friday, it's just going to bring scattered showers. It's not going to be a widespread rain like we could really use. So your high temperatures out there today, we ended up topping out in the low to mid 70s. It was a gorgeous day. We had low humidity, lots of sunshine, 76 degrees at O'Hare. We made it to 75 in Gary. Same thing at Midway, 77 for both Aurora as well as Joliet, 74 in Kankakee, 72 in Rensselaer. And here's where we're headed over the next couple of days. Tomorrow's going to be very similar to what we had today. We're once again topping out in the mid 70s. A couple spots going to sneak into the upper 70s. And then we warm up in a really big way. By Wednesday, Thursday, we're well into the 80s, if not touching 90 in a couple locations on Thursday. But then our cold front moves through, so you're really going to feel that cooler air arriving by Friday. Friday's high temperatures are going to be in the mid 70s. And then take a look at this. On Saturday, we're going to have high temperatures in the mid 60s. And typically for this time of the year, this time of September, we're still enjoying temperatures right around 80 degrees. So we're going to be running about 15 degrees below that by this upcoming weekend. Satellite and radar, things are quiet for now. We have high pressure in control, and it's going to stay that way for the next couple of days. Notice how this is just very slowly drifting off toward the east. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up to sunny conditions. Temperatures, though, going to be running cool. Most of us are going to wake up in the 50s, but the far south suburbs, I'm talking places like Rensselaer, Morris, we could be dealing with temperatures that are only in the upper 40s when we wake up tomorrow. So it is going to be cool, that fall-like feel in the morning. But then notice during the afternoon, we're developing that southerly wind flow that's starting to bring in some of that warmer air for us to work with. So mid to upper 70s expected tomorrow. And then by Wednesday, that's when we start to keep an eye on that cold front that's beginning to get a little bit closer to us. But notice through the day on Wednesday, I have the clock stopped here at 6 p.m. It's still pretty far to our west. We're going to get through the day on Thursday before that starts to roll through, and it's not bringing that relief from the heat until we go into our day on Friday. That's when temperatures are going to drop from near 90 on Thursday to the mid 70s expected on Friday. Right now, here's the view down near the Bean. It's a gorgeous night for this, right? 66 degrees. We have completely clear skies out there. And that's going to be the story throughout the overnight hours tonight. But it's because of the lack of cloud cover that temperatures are going to be able to drop so quickly. So in the city, we're dropping down to about 57 degrees. Most outlying areas, so most suburbs tonight, are going to drop into the low to mid 50s. But again, the far southern suburbs. So for those of you in Kankakee, Rensselaer, Morris, LaSalle, you're going to have a pretty decent chance of briefly dipping into the upper 40s. Now your 7-day forecast tomorrow, sunny skies, 77. We're at 84 on Wednesday. Gorgeous by the middle portion of this week, near 90 degrees on Thursday. And then on Friday, that's when we have a chance, at least a small chance, for a couple showers for your lawns out there. 76 degrees for the high. And then this weekend, 60s.